Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look, so if you'd like to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. So I'm first using the Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this yellow shade as my transition shade in the crease. Next taking this peach shade here and applying that to the outer corner of the eye to give some definition. After that, I went back in with that yellow shadow just to give the eye a nice smooth blend. I then went in with the yellow shimmer shade in the palette and used that on the eyelid. This is a great shade as it reflects beautifully in the light. After that, I took the Bondage coloured liner from GASM Cosmetics in the shade Red, and this is to create a winged eyeliner. These are great liners to use to add a little pop of colour to any look. I absolutely love how it brought the colours together and it went on so smoothly. These liners also have a sticky glue residue to them, so once applied, these can help bond your strip lashes to your eyelid, which is great to keep your lashes on for a long time. Next I applied lashes. These are also from GASM Cosmetics in the style Kinky. I love how these went onto the eyelid so easily and they were perfect for this look. I'll leave all the links to GASM Cosmetics website in the description below, where you can shop all the liners and lashes which are all animal cruelty free. I then went in with the yellow shadow again onto the bottom lash line, and then took the peach shade and blended it closest to the lash line. I then applied some liner into my waterline, and this one is from Esquido Cosmetics in the shade Black. Then I went in with a layer of mascara to the bottom lashes to make them stand out against the yellow. I next applied some highlighter to the brow bone and inner corner. And then went back in with the liner to the inner corner to create a cat eye effect. So I'm almost bringing that out into a triangle shape and then connecting it back in to the lash line. After that, I applied the Huda Beauty highlighter in the shade Pink Sands to the tops of the cheekbones just to give the skin a nice glowy finish. For lips, I used the Collection lip liner in the shade Dunston. I never normally go for a dark lip colour, but I absolutely love this shade the minute I put it on. I then applied the Collection lipstick in the shade Aubergine Kiss, which was the perfect shade to match in with the eyeliner colour. So you guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and also remember to follow my Instagram for some more makeup looks. Also give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you in the next one.